Good evening, everyone, and thanks for joining us. I'm Sharice Gibson, and for Karen and Katie, thank you for joining us for the Eyewitness News at 5. Now, the New Orleans Health Department gave out nearly 6,000 at-home rapid COVID tests today. They ran out of the test about an hour into what was supposed to be a two-day giveaway at city fire stations and quickly opened up additional locations to try to meet that high demand. Erica Ferrando is live for us from the New Orleans Fire Station on Magazine Street. Erica, there was a long line there this morning.
Sharice, there was a long line outside of this fire station, and even now we are still seeing people walk up and drive up hoping to get some of those home COVID tests. But once they get here, they see that sign behind me that says, "Sorry, we are out of COVID tests." A long line formed outside the Magazine Street fire station early Wednesday for free home COVID tests.
A friend texted me 10 minutes ago and said they're giving out free COVID tests, and I went to a Christmas party. I want to make sure my next group of people are safe.
But supply could not keep up with the enormous demand.
I thought I'd make it in time, but it appears that there was really high demand, which is great.
The giveaway at the fire stations was scheduled to be a two-day event, but all 4 sites ran out of the free tests in just over an hour, giving away 1,700 kits.
We went over to Magazine and they were out, so we came to check in the quarter, just trying to get tested before any of us see family for the holidays.
We were a little disappointed that they were out of tests already, but I understand that it's Omicron has gotten really aggressive, and so a lot of people are looking to get tests.
The demand for at-home testing kits is felt at pharmacies too.
I tried to buy some several days ago, and I went to several places. They're sold out everywhere.
Selling for $22, Majoria Drugs sold 360 kits in 3 hours Wednesday. This is what they had left by mid-morning.
I don't know if we're going to get any more in. We were lucky enough to get a couple cases in, and we put them out, and they're gone.
3, 6, 9.
By noon, the New Orleans Health Department opened up more home test giveaway locations at 14 libraries across the city.
We've both possibly been exposed to people in the past couple of days who have COVID, and the rapid tests, the home tests, are impossible to find in the stores right now.
All of the libraries were out by 3 p.m., giving away about 4,200 kits in a matter of hours.
There you go. Stay healthy.
I think everyone's nervous. People are going to see their families, and they don't want to infect anyone or be infected themselves.
As of now, the city has not announced any more scheduled giveaways, but a spokesperson said they are working to get more kits. There are also drive-through testing sites still open at the Mahalia Jackson Theater and UNO Arena. Those are also an option for anyone hoping to get tested this week or next week. For now, live in New Orleans, Erica Ferrando, Eyewitness News.
Erica, of course, as we hear about more Omicron cases, a lot of people in fear and very nervous wanting those COVID tests. This is one of the reasons why more than 2,200 new COVID cases were reported in Louisiana over the last day. Now, we haven't seen more than 2,000 new cases in a day since September. 8 more people have died, and those in the hospital with COVID are still rising up to more than 270 now, but that's not as steeply as case numbers. Last month, that number dipped below 200 for the first time.